Alright, what's up guys? We're back in Boscov's again. Yeah, so this is this one here. McLaren 570S, the same old matchboxes right here. They got tracks, Legos, ooh, Continental. I think I saw that the other day actually. Someone stole a car. That's pretty crazy. We got monster trucks at the top. They got a huge pack right here. How much is this? $50 for this huge pack right here is kind of a deal. I don't know if I could buy that right now though. I just realized now that they have a Undertaker WWE motorcycle. They have this at Target as well. Let's see how much they're selling for this thing. It does not have a price tag that I see. Is it on the side? No. But yeah, so there's a only WWE product. That's the only WWE product here. If we go back over to the figures, they got the same old Fantastic Four, the Batman that's always been sitting here. But yeah, so nothing really else here. I'll go back into the Hot Wheels pile. So stock car. Got this Cruise Bruiser. Let's try looking for a real car. Also just realized now that they got some Pokemon. Really thought it was a pack for a second, but I guess it was just but it turned out to be an art set, but it's fine. It's cool to see in here. But yeah, so I was going to the bathroom for a second. Oops, wrong aisle. So I paused the video. So let's go back in here. Got this. What's all the way down here? Batmobile, Goldberg. I think this is maybe a real car. We got this. It's like a Easter. This is an old car, I think. What year? 2023. But yeah, so. Alright guys, so for some reason my audio cut out for the rest of the video. But I didn't end up getting anything for today. But yeah, so let me know where to go next, and yeah, see you guys later.